Well, and I think you sort of mentioned this, but we'll just follow it up there with, what will the FDA do if you're not using modern genetic tools?
Yeah, absolutely, Jill. I think I really did answer this. And I don't think the FDA will do anything if you're not using them on a routine basis. But if a situation develops like the one that I've just described, and you're not doing everything that you could do, you'll get in trouble. And that's the bottom line. So it's another one of it depends kinds of answers, but it does depend. And and again, if you're finding some challenges and you're wondering what to do, there isn't a clear right and a wrong. It is an experience type answer. It's based on many factors. But keep them in mind, as these are good tools, and there are times when you do need to use them. And there are times, I think, when FDA is going to expect you to have done everything you possibly could, which would include some of these genetic tools. I will add, if I may, Jill, just a comment there, is when I was at IAFP, and I'm sure many of our colleagues on the call were there, there are some new technologies that are beginning to come out from some of the diagnostic companies that will allow us to not use whole genome sequencing, but using genetic technology, make a determination whether you've got similar strains or even same strains in the facilities. This doesn't then create discoverable data like sequence data. It's a higher level. So I think maybe the technology industry will solve this for us. They're not there yet, as far as I know. And if any of our colleagues on the call know of tools that will do this really well and essentially effectively manage the risk in the way whole genome sequencing will, then please share. This is all about learning. So back to you, Joe.
Yeah, I think it's interesting with those diagnostic tools if that ends up being more of an interim step to decipher if you need to go to the next step. Is that what you're referring to?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, it's interesting. Well, I'll have to share a comment that just came in from one of our audiences saying, wow, what a double-edged sword, the thing of genome sequencing. So very astute way of saying what we just went through. So thank you for that expression there.